Hello, 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 and welcome, 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 welcome again. Welcome to day 2 on how to look good on social media. All right, my name is Ruth, social media boss lady, and let's take a stroll together. Okay, so yesterday I talked to you a lot about, well, not a lot really, just a couple of minutes about the first tip, which is that you have to select a social media platform. All right, and then today the second tip that I'm definitely going to be giving you is you have to set up a business page. But just to backtrack to the first one for those that missed the first video, basically yes, selecting a social media platform. um, Sometimes creating a social media business page for your business can be intimidating. So whatever platform it is that you choose, whether it's Facebook, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Pinterest or Snapchat, one thing you should realize that the basic design principles are still the same across all platforms. And with these basic design principles, you can easily take your business page from looking average or having the average look to becoming eye-catching. So my second tip for you today is that you need to set up a business page. All right, so setting up a business page. All right, so let's go. So depending on the social media platform that you select, whatever it is, you would either be setting up a business page or a business profile. So let's say, for instance, I select Facebook, right, because that seems to be like the majorly used social media platform out there. So with Facebook, I would focus my instructions there now. You'd set up a business page, but one thing you should realize that these instructions I'm giving you, it cuts across all social. The principles apply to all social media networks. Okay, so as you set up your Facebook business page, you'll be asked to fill in your contact information, right? Your location, your contact information, and also a description of what it is that you do. All right, and then you get to the fun part where you'd have to well, select your profile picture and then your cover photo. Now, these two visual elements are what your visitors will see immediately they come to your business page. So you have to make them in such a way that they would be appealing to them. Okay, now for your profile picture, you can use your company logo so that the moment they come to your business page, they immediately associate your logo with your brand. Now for your cover photo, you can get to be a bit more creative with this. You could use well, tools, third-party tools like Canva, which is like a great and awesome tool to use. Or even if you have basic Photoshop skills, you could use that. So basically, you could mix and match colors, do text overlay, design images. Basically, write out what it is that you want to call out to your visitors when they come to your page. So your cover photo, be a bit more creative with this. Let them know, okay, this is what you do, and probably this is what's in it for them. So be a bit more creative with your cover photo. Definitely, you don't want to be using your company logo as just like as your cover photo. It's not like it's a bad idea, but when you can be a bit more creative with your cover photo, why just stick to the company logo being the cover photo? So that's tip 2 for today. Set up your business page. And so for you guys that have set up your business page, let me know in the comments below. I'll take a look at it and then we'll take it from there. We'll see what you're doing right, what you're not doing right, and then we'll take it from there. So that's it for today. Have fun, you guys. And this is Ruth, social media boss lady, signing out. Have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow. Bye.